for this video, I will be teaching you guys how to turn this simple tissue paper into this gorgeous flower. So what are we waiting for? Let's start this do-it-yourself video.
Starting off with the materials, the ribbons which are optional, the tissue paper, make sure they're new, the soft wire for the stem of the flower, scissors for cutting, and a pink eyeshadow for coloring. After that, we can now begin on shaping our flower, but first make sure to get our tissue paper, and I prefer getting 5 pieces of the tissue paper squares and just put them on top of each other, just like what I am doing in the video. After getting all the pieces, make sure they are right on top of each other, and if not, it's very important to do some adjustments so they are centered. We can now start with folding by first folding up the other end and make sure to crease it, and then flip over the whole square tissue paper and fold down the other end. Make sure to do this pattern all over again until you reach the other end. By the end of the folding, it should leave you something like this, and if you're familiar with the fan pattern, it's exactly look like that. Now bestie, get that scissors because we're going to do some cutting here. So at the edge of the tissue paper, we're going to round it off so it would give that petal effect in achieving the flower shape we are going to do. And it doesn't have to be perfect, just give it a nice rounded shape and make sure to do the other side as well. So as you can see, my cutting is not perfect, but it will be a great contribution in the end results of our flower. What I am doing now is finding the middle of the tissue paper because that's where we're going to attach the stem, which is the soft wire. You can cut your soft wire as long as you like and then twist it around in the middle of the tissue paper. And for the excess wire, you're just going to twist it around to secure the tissue paper on our stem. What I am doing now is opening the tissue paper and pinching it so I could achieve this bow-like structure. Then here goes the most exciting part wherein we're going to peel off the layers of the tissue paper so we could achieve the volume we are looking for to the end results of our flower. So take advantage of those thin layers of the tissue and peel everything off. Just be very careful since they are thin and fragile and we don't want to tear them apart as it can affect the end results. So just pull them up as you peel them off so we could arrange the petals, and just do what I am doing in the video to arrange everything. We can now proceed to the coloring part by getting our eyeshadow palette, but this part is optional. If you prefer the white color, you can stick with it, but I want mine to have a slight pop of color, so here we go. And that's it. You can make as many as you like, so you can set it as a decoration, as it would look pretty with other flowers, and you can even give it to someone special. Very simple, but the effort is there.
Ta-da! We've made that simple tissue paper into these gorgeous flowers. So that concludes our video. I hope you guys find it cool and will try to do it as well. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!